Here's something I've been watching leaders do all year, and it's costing them. When disruption hits, the instinct for a lot of leaders, especially those of us that came up in command and control environments, is to grab the wheel and steer things back to the way they were. Return to office mandates is just one example. Tightening up policies, pulling back flexibility that people had come to count on. Now, I get it. When everything feels uncertain, controlling what you can feels like leadership. But here's what I've learned after 4 decades of working inside of organizations. That instinct is not a strategy. It's a coping mechanism. And it connects to something that I talk about a lot. The difference between solving problems and managing symptoms. When the same problem keeps on coming back around, turnover, low engagement, teams that just aren't delivering, the reactive move is to fix the surface. Hire more people or use AI, schedule more meetings, tighten that oversight. And those fixes work just long enough for the pressure to drop. But then 6 months later, you're back in the same place. That's because reactive leadership treats every single problem like it's an isolated event. But systems thinking asks us, what's the pattern that's underneath all of this? So here's the question I'd invite you to think about this month. Is the thing that you're managing actually the problem, or is it a symptom of something you haven't looked at yet? Normal isn't late in getting here. It is not coming back. The world has changed, and it will keep changing at a faster pace than we ever imagined. The leaders that I see thriving right now aren't the ones with the most control. They're the ones willing to ask better questions, to lead the reality that's right there in front of them, not the one they wish existed. Now, if this is hitting close to home, I'd love to talk. Reach out to us at support@alignedатwork.com or just drop a comment below and let me know. What's that one thing in your organization that keeps coming back around, no matter how many times you fix it? I'm Laurie Battaglia, and I'll see you in the next leadership lesson.